Welcome to the Pehel Shiksha Scholarship Program application process. This video will guide you step by step on how to correctly fill the application form. Please follow each step carefully and ensure that all information entered is accurate. To begin, please register or log in using your valid mobile number and email ID. Make sure the contact details you provide are active, as all communication regarding the scholarship will be shared on these details. Now, enter the student's personal details carefully. Ensure that the student's name matches exactly with the name mentioned on official documents such as the Aadhaar card, school records, or other valid ID proofs. Now, select your current class and year. Enter the student's mobile number, WhatsApp number, date of birth, select the appropriate gender, and provide the Aadhaar number accurately. If the student is a person with a disability, select Yes and mention the relevant details. Additionally, provide at least one alternate contact by selecting the contact label such as parent, guardian, or emergency and enter the corresponding contact details. In the application questions section, all questions are mandatory to submit the scholarship form. First, students must confirm if they are referred by any PNB branch. If yes, they must provide the employee's name and ID. Next, confirm whether you are a ward of a PNB Housing Finance or Scholarlify employee. Lastly, mention if you are receiving any other scholarship along with its name and amount. In the family details section, parental status and family income. Additionally, provide guardian details, including relationship, guardian's name, phone number, occupation, annual income, educational qualification, and any other relevant information if available. Also add the construction site address where the student's guardian is working, along with the state and district. Now, provide the bank account details carefully. The bank account must be active and should belong to the student or parent guardian, as per the scholarship guidelines. Incorrect or incomplete bank details may result in delays or failure in scholarship disbursement. In this section, enter the complete current residential address. Provide accurate details including state, district, city or village, and PIN code. In this section, upload all the required documents, including a passport-size photograph, Aadhaar card, front and back in both required sections, current year admission proof, such as fee receipts, bona fide, previous class mark sheet, income proof, bank documents, and BOCW card or employment certificate. Please ensure that all documents are clear and readable. Multiple receipts are merged into a single PDF where required. Uploaded documents are valid and not edited. In this section, fill in the current academic details of the student. If the student is currently in graduation first year, select graduation first year as the current class. In the previous year, class 12 section, enter the class 12 details, including start year, end year, marks obtained, and marks out of. If the student received a CGPA in class 12, select the CGPA option and enter the CGPA accordingly. Then provide the school details such as school name, state. Next, complete the current academic details section by selecting the graduation first year, entering the annual fee, and the start year, end year. Also, fill in the current school details, including institute details like name, board, state, district. Before submitting the application, review all the entered details thoroughly. Tick the declaration checkbox to confirm that all the information provided is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Click on Submit to complete your application. Thank you for applying for the Pehel Shiksha Scholarship Program. For any queries and support, please email us at pnbsupport@scholarlify.com or call us at +91 114 1170 531. We wish you all the very best.